Hello students, we are doing chapter number 2 compound interest exercise 2.2. In previous videos we have done till 17 and today we will start from question number 18. If 40,000 amount to 48,620 rupees 25 paise in 2 year, compound interest payable half yearly, find the rate of interest per annum. So in this question principal money is given, amount is given, time is given 2 year and compounded half yearly condition is given. So we will use here half yearly formula and then R we have to find out. So first substitute the values. Both the side we can interchange because we have to find out the R, so we will keep R left side. So 40,000 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 4, it will become 4, 2 into 2 equal to 48,620 rupees 25 paise. Now this 40,000 we will shift here and it will go for division. We'll remove this decimal 0.25 and 2 zeros we will include in denominator. After this, first we will do the cancellation with 5 table. 5 9 times, 7 times, 2 times, 4 times and 0 5 times. In denominator it will go 8 times, then 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 zeros will come. Again we can cancel with 5 table. 1 9 4 4 8 1 times it will go. In denominator it will go 1 6 and 4 zeros. Now you can see denominator we can cancel with 5 but numerator is not possible to cancel. Now we will change it into power 4. Denominator you can see 16 we can write 2 to the power 4 and 4 zeros are there. It means we can write it as 20 to the power 4. Now for numerator you can use the hint. This number will be nearby this number only. This we got 20 to the power 4, so this will be 21 or 22. Now you can see the n number is 1 and 1 will come in 1 to the power 4 only. So this number will be 21 to the power 4. You can multiply and check it. Now both the side power is 4, we can cancel out. We have 1 plus R by 200 is equal to 21 by 20. 1 also we can shift another side. 1 will go for subtraction. Now this 1 we will change into the same denominator. So R by 200 is equal to 21 by 20 and this 1 we can write as 20 by 20. So same denominator we can simplify the numerator. 21 minus 20, 1 by 20 we will get. Now this 200 also shift another side. So R is equal to 1 by 20 into 200. It will cancel out 10 times. It means the rate of interest is here 10% per annum. Next question number 19. Determine the rate of interest for a sum that become 216 by 125 times of itself in 1.5 year, compounded semi-annually. So here principal money is not given. So we will take, let the principal money is P, then amount will be 216 by 125 times of P. Time is given 1.5 year, which we can write as 3 by 2 years. Because it is compounded semi-annually, so we will use half yearly formula. P A is equal to P 1 plus R by 200 to the power 2n. Now substitute the values. 216 by 125 P is equal to P 1 plus R by 200 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. So this by 2 will cancel out, and p to p also we can cancel. If you shift, it will come for division and it will cancel out. Now both the side we can interchange. 1 plus r by 200 to the power 3 is equal to 216 by 125. This we have to write in the cube form because here left side we have power 3. So this we can write as 6 by 5 to the power 3. Both the side cube we can cancel out. So 1 plus r by 200 is equal to 6 by 5. 1 also we can shift another side. R by 200 is equal to 6 by 5 minus 1. 1 we can write as same denominator, 5 by 5, and it will come 1 by 5. Now 200 also we can shift another side. It will go for multiplication, cancel out. 40 times it will go. It means rate of interest is 40% per annum. Next question number 20. At what rate of interest compound interest would 80,000 amount to 88,200 in 2 years? Interest being compounded yearly. Also find the amount after 3 years with the above rate of interest. So first we will find out the rate of interest. Principal money is given, amount is given, and time is given. After finding the rate of interest, then we will find out the amount for 3 years. So substitute values in this formula. It is yearly, so we will use yearly formula. 80,000 1 plus r by 100 to the power n power 2 is equal to 88,200. 80,000 we can shift another side. So 1 plus r by 100 to the power 2 is equal to 88200 divided by 80,000. So 2 zeros we can cancel out, then we can cancel with the 2 table 441 and this 400. So this 441 and this 400 we can write as 21 by 20 whole square. So both the side square we can cancel out, then we have 1 plus r by 100 is equal to 21 by 20. R by 100 equal to 21 by 20 minus 1. 1 we can change into the same denominator, 20 by 20 we can write, then 1 will get 1 by 20. So r is equal to 1 by 20 into 100, which is equal to 5%. So rate of interest we got 5% here. Now with the help of this rate of interest we have to find out amount after 3 years. So for this you can use simple interest formula for third year, then you can find out, or you can use direct formula. So amount for third year A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. So P is 80,000 rupees, R is 5 by 100 to the power 3. After simplification we will get here 105. You can cancel 5, 1 and 20 times, then we will get 21 by 20 to the power 3. We can expand it. Three zeros you can cancel directly, and after that 240 times, 220 times and 210 times. Remaining number you have to multiply. So after multiplication we will get here 92,610. Next question number 21. Ascertain sum amount to 5,292 in 2 years and 5,556.60 paise in 3 years at compound interest. Find the rate of interest and the sum. So here two things are unknown. First we have to find out the rate of interest, then we will find out the principal money. But they have given here amount after 2 years and amount after 3 years. So we will do calculation for the third year first. Whatever the amount after 2 years, that will become principal for the third year. So if we talk about third year, principal money will be 5292 and amount will be 5556.60, and will take time 1 year because we are doing calculation only for the third year. Substitute values here. Both the side we can interchange. Five to 9 2 we can shift another side, it will go for division. And now we can remove this decimal. So we will get 1 plus r by 100 equal to 55566 and 529200. So 1 0 so we can cancel directly. After this we will cancel with the 2 table. Two 7783 times it will go, and denominator 26460 times it will go. Again one more time we can cancel with 3 table and denominator also. Now this one also we will shift another side. More cancellation we can't do. 9261 divided by 8820 minus 1. Both the denominator we have to make same, because here denominator is 8820, so this one also we will change in the same format. 1 we can write as 8820 by 8820. After subtraction we will get 441 divided by 8820. Now 100 also we can shift another side. One 0 we can cancel out here, and 441 to this it will go 2 times. Then from this 2 we can cancel this 10 5 times. So rate of interest is here 5%. After this now we will calculate principal money. For 2 years if we calculate, amount is equal to P 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Amount after 2 years it is given 5292. Principal money we have to find out. Rate just now we have calculated 5% and time is 2 years. This after calculation we will get 105 by 100 to the power 2. Cancel out with 5 table, you will get 21 by 20. Both the side we can interchange. And this 21 by 20 square we can shift another side. It will reciprocal another side. Now we can expand it. And we can cancel out this. With 3 table we can cancel 3 7 ja and 3 1764 times, again 3 7 times, then 3 5 8 8 times, then we can cancel with 7 table. 784 times, then again 7 12 times. Multiply the remaining number, 12 into 20 into 20, we will get 4800 rupees. Next question number 22. A certain sum amount to 798 rupees 60 paise after 3 years and 878 rupees 46 paise after 4 years. Find the rate of interest and the sum. This is similar to question number 21. We will do with the same pattern. We will calculate here first for the 4th year. For 4th year, principal money will be the amount at the end of 3rd year, and amount after 4th year is It is given in question, and time we will take here 1 year. Yearly formula we will apply here. One plus r by 100 to the power 1 is equal to 878.46. Now this principal amount we can shift another side. We have 1 plus r by 100 is equal to 878.46 divided by 798.60. Same number of decimal in numerator and denominator, so we can remove the decimal here. After this we will do the cancellation with the 2 table. 2 4 times, 3 times, 9 times, 2 times and 3 times. In denominator 3 times, 9 times, 9 times, 3 times and 0 times. Again with 3 we can do 3 1 times, 4 times, 6 times and 4 1 times. Then 1 3 3 1 0 times. After this, now this one we can shift another side. More division we cannot do here. R by 100 is equal to 14641 divided by 13310 minus 1. This one we have to change into same denominator. So we can write it 13310 divided by 13310. After subtraction we will get r by 100 is equal to 1331 divided by 13310. This 100 also shift another side. 10 we can cancel out and this thing will cancel out. So r will be 10%. After getting r, now we have to find out the p also. So to calculate p we will take 3 year. After 3 year amount is 798 rupees 60 paise. Time we will take here 3 years and rate of interest we just now we have calculated 10%. So we will use p 1 plus r by 100 to the power n is equal to a. Before only I have kept this side left side because I have to calculate p here. So p 1 plus 10 by 100 to the power 3 is equal to 798.60. 10 we can cancel out here, and after simplification 10 plus 1 will get 11 by 10 to the power 3 is equal to 798.60. We can shift this 11 by 10 to the power 3 another side. It will become 10 by 11 to the power 3. So p is equal to 79860. We can remove the decimal into 1000 by 1331. 11 if you multiply 3 times you will get 131. Now you can do the cancellation. 10 here, 10 here. Cancel with 11. 11 121 times. Then 11 7 ja, 2 ja and 6 times. Then 11 11 times. 11 2 times and 6 times. 11 sorry it will go 6 times and 6 times and 11 6 times. So we will get here principal money is 600 rupees. In this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.